Creating a task in Wrike is a straightforward process that involves a few simple steps. Here's a concise guide. Log into Wrike. Start by logging into your Wrike account using your credentials. Navigate to the project. Once logged in, navigate to the project or folder where you want to add the task. Click on plus new task. Within the selected project or folder, locate the plus new task button. Click on it to initiate the task creation process. Fill in task details. A window will appear where you can fill in the task details. Include a clear task name in the designated field. Set due dates and times. Assign a due date and, if necessary, due time for the task to help prioritize and manage deadlines. Assign the task. Assign the task to specific team members by entering their names in the assignee field. This ensures clarity on responsibility. Add description and attachments. Include a detailed task description if needed. Attach relevant files or documents to provide additional context for the task. Set task status. Indicate the status of the task, whether it's to do, in progress, or completed. Use custom fields. If your project has custom fields, fill them in with relevant information to categorize or provide additional details about the task. Save the task. Once all details are filled in, click Save to create the task. It will now be visible within the project or folder.